When you wake up in the morning and it's raining in your heart and you feel like you can't make it before you even start, your world is wrapped in darkness and you cannot see the light, and all your situations don't seem to work out right. What you do? You open up your vision, open up the law, and remember just who you are. You're an Israelite, and you'll always be here. Remember the covenant that's passed down from year to year. Oh, oh, oh. See, Moses was a servant with a very special deed. He was sent to old Pharaoh to say, let Yah's people be. Israel was captive of an unrighteous man. Oh, Pharaoh would not hearken to the words of the Most High's plan. He opened up your vision, opened up the law, and remember just who you are. You're an Israelite, and you'll always be here. Remember the covenant that's passed down from year to year. Oh.